welcome to MGTracey. Now I've started to run out of space in my garage this time of year with all the presents and everything, the kids' toys piling up. So in order to give myself a bit more room, I have got the stacking kit from Amazon so that I can put my tumble dryer on top of the washing machine. I'm going to show you how to install it, and then you can save all that space in the back of your garage. Let me show you what's in the packet. So the main thing is this unit. Now you need to make sure you get the right one for your width for machine. You can see that it slots over on each side, and then what you've got here is what will become basically a pull-out drawer in between your washing machine and your tumble dryer, where actually you can just fold your clothes or whatever, which is quite good. So this is what you've got in the box. You've got a very long tensioning strap that'll go over both machines and pull them together, and then you've got some feet, a lock for that strap. And what are those? Those are white plastic caps. I'll take you through this step by step now and how to put it together. So your first task, as you probably need someone to help with this, is to lift up each corner of your washing machine and insert one of these stabiliser cups. In fact, I'm probably not going to need it because you can see there's no way there's any movement with this particular washing machine, but if yours has got any movement, you need to make sure you've put one of those in each corner. So you need to flip over this middle unit. We're looking at the bottom of it here. Now we need to put the stabilisers into each corner. We've got these black stickers you had earlier and these little plastic clips. So line these up and then just clip these down. You need one in each of the four corners. Just line them up carefully, push them down. Sometimes you've got to give them a bit of brute force to lock those in. So once you've got each of those in the four corners, just make sure that's solid, and the next stage now is to put these anti-slip stickers onto each one. It should look like that after you've completed that phase of the installation. So the next stage is to flip that over now and put that back on the top of the washing machine, making sure you've lined it up equally so all four corners are equally spaced from the edge of the washing machine. So this is what this will look like. Line up your edges here, make sure you've got the thing in the right spot, you know, it's equally spaced, and now you've got your laundry folding drawer that easily slides on the top there. So with your strap, you're going to find that there is actually a little hole each side for it. So we're going to drop that through there. This needs to go right down under the machine and then back up the other side, coming back up through the middle hole there. You're going to make sure that when this is underneath the machine that it is all flat and it's not twisted, so you can get the right tension to bind the two units together. Again, this is probably where you can need the help of a friend, depending on how easy it is to get that underneath the machine. And in most cases you're going to have to tip it back a bit, making sure you don't damage any pipe work at the back while you fit that strap. Now for me it's a bit easy to do it this way round, so I've started looking at the front of the machine. I've started on the right hand side, and then you can drop that all through, and then eventually you should just be left with, come on, should just be left with that bit there. We need to tuck that right underneath, back up the other side so that we've got it ready to stretch over the two units and loop it on the top. So I've lined that up in the middle of the machine, so I've got that on both sides with the fastener there. Now the tricky bit here actually is threading this back up through this. So the easy bit for that is just lift this up slightly when you get to poke that bit through. The other thing I forgot to mention, when you're fixing it, make sure that you have full access to anything you need on the front here. If you pull this a bit too far forward, this might be difficult, mightn't it, to tip your liquids and things, so make sure before you fasten it in its final position that you have access to all your washing machine controls. Once you've fitted it up, this is how it should look. It's now just a question of tightening up that strap to bind the two units together. So over you come with the strap, remember not twisted, pull it through, and then you can then just do this to tighten it off like that. Get it as tight as you can, lock it, and now we just need to put the safety clip to cover that up. And that just goes over your fastener. Quick check, the machines are all happy and working. So I think that's definitely a two-person job for the lifting and the stretching. It's going to take you about 25 minutes. Now I just need to move that into its final position and make sure that the vent for the tumble dryer is happy and has not got constricted in any way. Hope you found that useful. Certainly saved me now a lot of space. Just need to move the air conditioner out of the way. Please like, share and subscribe, and come back every day for more fun here on MGTracey. Have a wonderful Christmas.